So as y'all know, I'm terrible at making intros and outros. So this is my intro. Hello, it's Janessa. This is like a cut crease, sparkly pink glitter look, you feel me? Pretty much that's it. I just wanted to say that right here because I'm about to film a new video, but I cannot physically bring myself to film if one video is not edited yet. So I'm just gonna finish editing this one real quick, and then I'm filming a new video. Make sure you watch it. Okay, on to the video. So first I'm priming my eye with some concealer, and then I'm releasing the concealer with the Tarte shade in Toasted Marshmallow. Then I'm using the shade Silk Cream as my transition shade. Then I'm taking the shade Pookie and I'm putting that on my crease and blending it with the shade Silk Cream. Then from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette, I'm taking Parallel and I'm taking that in my crease again, but blending it out a little less than the other ones. And then with the first brush that I used to apply Silk Cream and Pookie, I am blending everything out with no shadow on it, just the excess from before. In this clip, I'm taking a clean shader brush and I'm just blending everything together as well as I can. Here I'm taking the same concealer that I used before and I'm cutting the crease all the way out till past where the eyeshadow like stops. It again with Toasted Marshmallow, and then I'm going in with a small brush and kind of just cleaning up the edge. So I went back in with Parallel and I was trying to make it a little more defined, but it ended up looking unblended, so I ended up going back in a few times with the concealer and another brush to try to blend and make it look as clean as possible. Now I'm taking the NYX glitter in Beauty Bleam and the NYX glitter primer, and then I'm also lining my eye with the NYX liquid liner. Right here is where I'm applying my lashes. The lashes I wore for this were the Wiley Huang X Elf lengthening lashes. These are really, really cute and they were only $3, so if you can get your hands on them, I highly recommend. Right here, I'm putting the NYX Liquid Illuminator on my face, kind of to give myself that dewy look underneath my foundation. For my foundation, I'm mixing the Fit Me and Milani Concealer in Perfect, and then I'm spraying my Beauty Blender with the Milani Setting Spray, and that stuff literally smells so good. I highly recommend. Now I'm just concealing under my eyes with the Fit Me and blending it in, obviously, with my blender. And I'm also putting it on my forehead and chin. Sorry, I totally forgot about that. Then, fun fact, I'm actually contouring with Parallel from the Prism palette too, because I don't have a contour shade right now. Then I'm setting my face with the Maybelline loose powder. Okay, then the mascara I'm using is a Maybelline mascara. I don't remember which one it's called, honestly, but it's not that great. So I'm just putting it so my lashes will blend together. Then I'm highlighting my cheeks with the Jeffree Star highlighter in Peach Goddess. And I'm highlighting my nose with that second Morphe shade right there. And I'm doing that on my nose, my Cupid's bow, and I think that's it. The bridge of my nose too, I think. But yeah. Here I'm using a makeup wipe to wipe off any excess foundation off my lips. Then I'm going under my eye again with Silk Cream just to kind of smoke out my lash line. And the lipstick I'm using is the shade Cashmere Kitten, and it's the NYX Lingerie like liquid lipstick. Jesus God. Okay, so this is not my angle, but it's pretty cute. Thank you for watching if you've made it this far. If you're feeling extra generous and this is your first time around, if you wouldn't mind watching my first video, I would be so grateful.